Hey guys, today we're going to show you the properties of instances. The first one we're going to talk about is going to be the archivable property. This determines whether the instance will save when the game saves or if the clone method will create a new clone of the instance. The next one is going to be the parent property. This determines what instance the instance is inside of it. Setting this to nil will delete the instance. It will be deleted from view, but it will still be in memory, so it can be still returned to view if its parent property will not lock after being set to nil. I have talked about this in a previous video. You go check it out if you want. But let's continue. The next one is going to be the name property. This determines the name of the instance. It does not have to be unique within a single instance. There can be like multiple names. Like I can just change this to remote event, and look, nothing happens. It's completely the same. Even if it's the same class, then it's gonna still work. It might cause some trouble with scripts though. The next one we're going to talk about is the class name. Now this is read-only. It means that you can't modify this, not in Studio, not in scripts, nowhere. And it determines what kind of instance it is. For example, it's a script here, it's a folder here, it's service script service here. Well, it can be a bunch of stuff. There's also the RobloxLocked property, but that it was used to serve as to protect course instances from being edited by users. Otherwise, that would just break the game. But now it's been deprecated. It does nothing. Core instances are hidden. You can't even access them no matter what, unless you somehow go into the app and the code, modify it or whatever. I have no idea how that works. So that was pretty much it for this video. There are attributes too, but attributes, well, that may be for another video. So that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, then like, subscribe if you, want more Roblox Studio tutorials or a shout out. Make sure your subscriptions are public. And comment. Well, bye.